Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Karaski Orchid School channel, Sholapur. I, Nikita teacher, teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, we are going to learn in this today's session? Yes, we are going to repeat lesson number 6, Mumbai. Yes, in the last session what we have learned? We have learned about Mumbai. How is the climate of Mumbai? What type of places are there to visit Mumbai, and what type of transport facilities are there, and even we have discussed about food also. Yes, and so many industries and institutions are there in Mumbai. Yes, we have discussed in this lesson. In the today's session what we are going to do children? We are going to solve some question answer session, and we are going to read the lesson also. Yes, before reading, first what we will do? We will read the lesson along with me. Are you ready children? First what you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook, and with the help of Canopy textbook you are going to start reading, okay, along with me. Are you ready? Okay, then let's start reading. Okay children, chalo, come on. Now open your page number 31. Yes, which lesson we are going to learn, read today? You are going to read along with me. While reading you have to put your finger wherever we are reading, okay? Let's start with the lesson number 6, Mumbai, okay? Looking ahead. In this lesson you will learn about the city of Mumbai, its location and climate. Yes, already we have discussed about location and climate, its food and festival, its industries and institution. Yes children, and what type of language these people are speaking here, the language spoken, the place of tourist interest and transport in the city. Okay children, now children tell me, where are the most of the Hindi films made? Yes, as you are watching so many movies of Hindi. Yes, where it is made, in which city it is made? Yes, of course in Mumbai. Yes, then what is the Hindi film industry commonly known as? Yes, this Hindi film industry is commonly known as what? Yes children, yes, it is also known as Bollywood. Let's start. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Till some time ago it was known as Bombay. It is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. Mumbai has the largest port in India. All the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers live and work here. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. It is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. June, July and August are the monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. Yes children, turn the page, take out page number 32, okay? Yes children, food. Bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are popular street food. Shrikhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Did you know children? Till 100 years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 small islands. The people living here were mostly fisher flock who worshipped the goddess Mumba Devi, after whom the city is believed to be named. Festivals. Though Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival, all the important festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Language spoken. If you visit Mumbai, you can see people from different parts of India living and working here. Most people live here speak Marathi and Konkani, Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English and many other Indian languages are also spoken. Tourist attraction. A large number of tourists visits. Next page, take out page number 33. Mumbai every year An important landmark is the Gateway of India. Close to it, a statue of Shivaji and Swami Vivekananda. Some of the other places of tourist interest are Marine Drive, Kanheri Caves, SL World, Hanging Gardens, Kamla Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery, Taraporaville Aquarium, Haji Ali Dargah, Siddhivinayak Temple and Mount Mary Church. There are many beaches in Mumbai like Chopati, Versora Marvi and Zoo. Did you know? Marine Drive is also known as the Queen Necklace. This is because when seen from a height at night, the street lights along Marine Drive looks like a shining necklace. 10 kilometers from Mumbai are the Elephanta Caves. There are 4 rock-cut temples in these caves. Transport. The city has one of the best public transport system in India. Most of the people commute by bus and local trains, also called suburban trains. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in the Mumbai. Industries and institutions. Mumbai has many factories. These, turn the page children, take out page number 34. These factories make textile, medicines, oils, chemicals and electronic goods. Did you know children? The Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, also known as the Bandra-Worli Sea Link, was opened to traffic in March 2010. This bridge across the sea cuts the travel time from Bandra to Worli by almost an hour. Locate Bandra and Worli on the map of Mumbai on page number 89. In Bombay High of the Mumbai coastline, one of the India's most important oil field. Here, crude oil is extracted from the seabed. Petrol and diesel are produced from this crude oil. Important institutions in Mumbai are the Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC. Next, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research TIFR and Indian Institute of Technology IIT. Mumbai also has a thriving film industry commonly called Bollywood. I now know Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is an important port. It has a moderate climate. It has many industries and important institutions. There are many places of tourist interest in Mumbai. Yes children, as we have read this lesson, and tell me what you have understood while reading this lesson. What part you have learned in this lesson while reading. In the previous session already we have completed this chapter, but today we have read this lesson. From reading, what you have explained means what you have not understood. Okay? If you have not understood, I will explain this lesson in a short. Yes? What we have learned in this lesson? As you know, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and in previous it was known as Bombay, but now we are calling it as a Mumbai. Okay? And Mumbai are having government office of Maharashtra were located in Mumbai. Who are working? The governor, chief minister and other minister live and work here. Okay? And even we have discussed about climate. How is the climate in Mumbai? It is moderate. And it is warm and humid in summer season. And in winter, how is the climate? It is a pleasant. And whereas in monsoon, it rains very heavily. In the month of which month it rains heavily? In the month of June, July and August. Yes. Next what we have done, we discussed about food. Which is the street food, famous street food like bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji. And which is the most commonly, which is the most favorite dish, which is the famous dish in Mumbai? Yes, Srikhand. And which is the festival celebrated in Mumbai? Though Ganesh Chaturthi is most popular festival, and all important festivals are also celebrated in India. Sorry, all the festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Language spoken. What type of language in Mumbai they are speaking? Most of the people they are speaking Marathi and Konkani, and even some of them are speaking Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English, and even many more Indian languages also. And what are the tourist places where we can visit if you want to visit Mumbai? Where you will go for enjoy and have a fun with your family? You can visit to Gateway of India, and some other places are also there, like Marine Drive is there, Kanheri Caves are there. Then you can visit to Siddhivinayak Temple, Mount Mary Church, and even you can visit so many beaches. Beaches are also there in Mumbai, like Chowpatty, Juhu. Yes, even again from the 10 km from Mumbai, you can visit Elephanta Cave. It is having it is look like a 4-cut temples in this cave. Okay, and what type of transport facilities are there in Mumbai? Yes, because they are transport this facility, how the people they are traveling by buses or by local trains. And which is the busiest airport in Mumbai? Yes, it is known as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Industries and institution in Mumbai, you can find many industries. Yes, which are those? Those are factories like textile, medicines, oils or chemicals, and electronic goods. And again, important institution so many important institutions also you can find in Mumbai, like Bhabha Atomic Research Center, like Indian Institute of Technology, so many. And even Mumbai is also thriving a film city, as it is commonly known as Bollywood. Yes, we have learned in this lesson. Now children, in this today's session what we are going to do? We are going to solve some question answer session. Are you ready with solving question answer session? Okay, let's start with question answer session. Okay children, come on, tell me, what makes Mumbai one of the most important city in India? Yes children, what makes Mumbai one of the most important city in India? Yes, as you know, Mumbai is famous for so many tourist places we can visit, as we have learned in this lesson. What are the places where you can visit, like Marine Drive, Chowpatty, or Elephanta Cave? So many places are there, like we can visit to worship goddess Siddhivinayak Temple, Mount Mary Church. Yes, and even Mumbai is famous for film city. It is well known as Bollywood. Yes, that's why Mumbai makes one of the most important cities in India. Understood children? Okay, let's see the next page. Okay, now children, what we are going to do? We are going to solve question answer session. First question is what? We are going to see, name the following. Okay, first question is what? The Queen's necklace. Which is the Queen necklace? Yes, we have learned. Yes children, give me the answer. Come on, which is the Queen necklace? Yes, come on, very good. You can, very good. Let's see, correct. Let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is Marine Drive. Very good children. The Queen necklace is known as Marine Drive. Next question we'll see. Second question, the busiest airport in the country. Yes, which is the busiest airport in the country? What is the name of airport? Yes, come on children, give me the answer. Yes, correct. What is that? Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. The busiest airport in country is Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Next question we'll see. Caves, number 3, Caves Temple off the coast of Mumbai. Which is the Caves Temple? There are four rock cut Caves temples in this cave. That Caves temples are known as which? What is the name of that caves are known as in Mumbai? How much long? After 10 kilometers from far away from Mumbai, these caves are there where you can visit. What is the name of that cave? Yes, come on, give me the answer children. Yes, correct. Elephanta Caves. Very good children. Next question we'll see. Number 4. An important landmark of Mumbai. As you have learned in the lesson, what is an important landmark of Mumbai? Yes, where you can visit. Many of the people, if they are visiting to Mumbai, they never forget to visit the landmark of Mumbai. That landmark of Mumbai, what is known as? Yes, come on, give me the answer. Yes children, exactly correct. Very good. Gateway of India. Very good. Clap for yourself. Let's see. Let's revise this question 4 once again. Okay. The queen of necklace is Marine Drive. Okay. Next, the busiest airport in the country is Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Caves temples of the coast of Mumbai is Elephanta Caves. An important landmark of Mumbai is Gateway of India. Okay, understood? Okay, let's see some animation. What is the important landmark of Mumbai? Gateway of India. As you can see, the Gateway of India. Let's see the animation of this lesson. Okay, children, fold your hands and sit straight.
Mumbai, then and now. Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay, is the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is the most populous city in India and one of the most populous cities in the world. In the beginning, Mumbai was made up of 7 islands that were inhabited by the fisher folk. Several Indian rulers ruled over these islands. Finally, the Portuguese laid claim to them. From the Portuguese, the islands were transferred to the British East India Company. Under the British, Bombay grew to become one of the largest cities of India. In 1960, a new state of Maharashtra was created with Bombay as its capital. The city was renamed Mumbai in 1996, the name being taken from the goddess Mumbadevi. The old charm and quiet of Bombay has today been replaced with chaos and noise typical of a big city. But it still remains a city of dreams and opportunities for millions of Indians.
Yes, children, understood how is Mumbai is as now known as Mumbai. Previously it was known as Mumbai. Okay, there are 7 islands in Mumbai. Next question we'll see. Okay. Yes, now you are going to give the full form of all the following as we have learned. What are the full form of this term? Now tell me first one, IIT. What it stands for? IIT full form stands for what, children? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, correct. What it is the answer? Indian Institute of Technology. What is the correct answer? Correct. IIT stands for Indian Institute of Technology. Next question we'll see. What is the full form of TIFR? Yes, come on children, give me the answer. What is the TIFR full form? Yes, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Okay, what is the full form of TIFR? Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Next question we'll see. What is the full form of BARC? Yes, children, come on, give me the answer. What is the full form of BARC? Yes, correct. That is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. What is the answer? Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Okay, children, understood? Okay, let's see some presentation. What is this? This is a Marine Drive. What is it is known as? Queen of City, Queen of Necklace. When you see from the height at night, the street lights along Marine Drive looks like a shining necklace. As you can see how it looks like a shining necklace. Okay. Now let's see some presentation on this lesson. What you can see, this is the Elephanta Caves, where it is far away from 10 kilometers from Mumbai, where you can see Elephanta Caves. How it is, there are 4 rock cut temples in these caves. Elephanta Island or Gharapuri is about 11 km east of the Apollo Bunder on the Mumbai harbour. The Elephanta caves can be reached by a ferry from the gateway of India. Yes. The Elephanta caves were carved out of hard volcanic rock more than 1500 years ago. How was the Elephanta cave? Well, carved with which type of? It was cut out with hard volcanic rocks, and which was made before 15,000 years ago. This cave mainly contained rock-cut sculptures of Hindu gods and goddess. The main deity shown in Shiva, okay, as you can see. The walls of the caves are covered with vibrant and beautifully sculpted figures. The main cave is also called the Shiva cave. It has a wide hall or mandapa, okay, how you can see. It is the cave covered with a vibrant and beautiful. How it is, looks like a beautiful sculpture figure, okay. The carving shows Shiva and Parvati in Mount Kailas. As you can see how it is built, it looks, means it is the carving showing that you can see her Shiva and Parvati in the Mount Kailas, okay. This carving shows Ravana lifting Mount Kailas, the abode of Shiva and Parvati. The 10-headed demon king Ravana is shown with just one head, as you can see how it is shown in this picture. The most vibrant sculptures in this cave is the magnificent Trimurti. The sculpture is more than 6 meters in height and depicts a three-headed Shiva. The three-headed are said to be represent the three aspects of Shiva, that is creation, protection and destruction, okay. As you can see how is the sculpturing, how it looks like a Trimurti, and it is how much height it is, about 6 meter heights, okay. This panel carving shows Shiva as Nataraja performing the Tandav, the dance of creation, preservation and destruction. Okay children, as you can see, this carving shows the painting shows the Shiva as a Nataraj performing the Tandav. Okay. The central shrine has a Shivling set on raised platform. What you can see here, you can see the Shivling, okay, set raised as on the platform. Okay children, understood? Let's see the next question. That is, it is the famous for crude oil. Okay children, now let's see some interactive task. What you are going to do in this interactive task? Solve the jumbled words. Type the correct word in the boxes. Click on the hint if you need help. Press done. What is this? We are going to solve this jumbled word. Yes, what you can see? NKAINKO. What will be the correct word? Yes, I will show you some hints. Okay, now what you are going to do, one of the language spoken by people of Mumbai. Which type of mostly language we are speaking in Mumbai? Yes, come on children. Yes, correct, we are speaking Marathi. And which language again, which language we are speaking in Mumbai most of the time? Yes, correct, Kokni. Exactly. Come on, tell me what is the spelling of Kokni. Let's type here the spelling of Kokni. Okay, come on, give me the spelling, tell me the spelling, give me the answer. Yes, K. Yes, next is O. Yes, correct. Next, which letter will come? Yes, N. Yes, correct. K. Yes, correct. Yes. Yes, correct. Let's see the answer. Done. Done, okay? Next, hint I will give. Popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Which is the popular sweet dish of Mumbai? Yes. Spelling of Shrikant? Yes, S. Come on, next. R. Okay, next letter which? Yes, correct. After this I. Yes, K. Yes, H. A. N. D. Very good. Next, an important landmark. G. Very good. Gateway of India. A. T. E. Yes, children, come on. Next spelling of gateway. Way spelling what? Yes, W. A. Y. Very good. What is the spelling of off? O. F. Next, India. I. Yes. Next letter. N. Next after N. D. I. A. What is the correct answer? An important landmark in Mumbai is Gateway of India. Let's see the answer is correct or wrong. Very good. Next question. Now hint what I will give. Old name of Mumbai, what we called before previous Mumbai, what it was known as? Yes, correct. It was known as Bombay. Come on, tell me the spelling of Bombay. Yes, B. After B, which letter will come? O. Yes, after this M. Yes, correct. Yes, B. Yes, A. Correct. Y. Correct. Very good, children. Let's see the answer. Yes. Let's see. Done. Next question will solve. Thriving film industry. It is known as what? Well known as? Correct. Bollywood. Spelling of Bollywood? B. Yes, children. After B, what will be the answer? O. L. Yes. Again after L. Yes, correct. Double L will come. Y. After Y. W. Double O. D. It seems, children, you have learned the spelling very good. That's why you have to learn the spelling. While writing answer, it will be easy to you only. The buses of Mumbai is known as what? The buses of Mumbai is also known as? Yes, best. What is the spelling of best? B-E-S-T. Best. Here is E-S-T. Let's see the correct answer. We'll see next question. What is this? Most of the festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. What is the spelling of Ganesh? Yes, G. After G, A, N, E, S, H. Ganesh. Tell me the spelling of Chaturthi. C, H, A. Next is what? T, U. Yes, next is R. Yes, next is what? T, H, I. Very good. Let's see the answer done.
Congratulations!
Very good, children.
A star!
What we have won? A star. Very good. Now let's see the answer page. First is what? Kokni. Second is Srikhand. Kokni, most of the Mumbai people they are speaking Kokni. And famous sweet dish in Mumbai is Srikhand. And which is the landmark of Mumbai? Gateway of India. And what was previous Mumbai known as? Bombay. And film city is also known as named as Bollywood. And which buses are running on Mumbai? That is known as Best. And we celebrated, which is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai? Ganesh Chaturthi. Understood? Okay. Now let's see the next question. Okay. What is there? Fill in the blanks we are going to do. Dash is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Just now only have we have solved the answer. Yes, which is the sweet dish? Popular? Yes, correct. Srikhand. Very good. Next question. Dash is the main festival of Mumbai. Which festival we are celebrating in Mumbai? Correct. Ganesh Chaturthi. Very good, children. Dash and dash are language spoken by people of Mumbai. Which type of language? Most of the language they are speaking? Correct. Marathi and Kokni. Very good. Let's see the answer. Yes, Marathi and Kokni are the languages spoken by the people of Mumbai. Next question. Dash is the old name of Mumbai. What we were known as Mumbai previously? Yes, correct. Bombay. Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Understood, children? Okay. Yes, children. In this session, what we have learned? We have read this lesson. Yes. Again, we have seen some question answers. Interactive task also we have done. Some presentation we have seen. Animation we have done. Yes. In the next session, we are going to continue with the lesson number 6, and we are going to see some textbook exercise and enrichment activity. Till that time I will give you homework. Once again you have to read this lesson number 6. If you have not learned the hard words, again you have to learn the hard words. For what purpose you are going to do? If you will learn those hard words while writing question answers or while writing fill in the blanks, you will not face any problem. Okay, you can score a good marks over there. Yes, understood? Till that time, in the next session we will continue with this lesson. Till that time, bye bye. See you. Thank you.